Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Easter wreath from the 99-cent store, which is very affordable. It's on a budget. It only costs $5 to $6. $6 if you want to add a little bit more bling to it, but mostly it's very, very affordable. Actually, you can do it even less than that for about $4. This is a great project to do with your kids, and you can make more than one. I'm going to put this wreath actually at home this year on the door. I'm not going to use it at work, but I'm going to actually put it on the door. And this is so cute because you can customize it any way that you want. This is a Easter bunny that I found at the 99-cent store. It was only 99 cents, and it's a big size. See it in comparison to my hand? This is really nice. It had like more of a brown bow here, but I changed it because this year I wanted to do something purplish. Now this, they had a bunch of wreaths, and please check out my video. I put one up not too long ago of what they have currently at the 99-cent store for Easter. So they just put everything out. It's still February and it's early, so you know how it is, how things go up quickly. So I wanted to just show you some things, give you some ideas early on in case you're looking now. And it's always best to do your projects early so things aren't picked over, because when I went, some of the colors were already going, like this Easter sign here. This Easter sign, I know it's the 99-cent store, but it was actually $2.49. And let me tell you, it was really worth it. It's solid wood. You can just sit it like this for decor. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this to my wreath. And I have some eggs here, and you know these are just 99 cents a pack. I wanted to do it blingy this year. Like I said, I'm doing purple, but they had pink. They had all kinds of colors with wreaths. You can even use a wreath that's more plain if you want to, but I'm just giving you some ideas. That's just already, everything is pretty much already done. We're just going to pretty much just attach things to our wreath and just make it even more pretty than what it is. Because as you can see, this wreath is already blingy. It's already pretty. You can hang it up just like this. It's very light. This was actually $1.99. And then here we had 99 cents, and then our rabbit was 99 cents. Now I did update his bowl, and you know, I have a craft room, so I keep a lot of bowls and things that I like to use just in case, but you could leave him just like this. You don't have to do anything extra. Also, I had some of these little eggs left over. These are actually cardboard here. I pulled them off of a piece that I had, and I had got that also from the 99-cent store. It was actually 4 of them, but the other 2 had other colors in there that I kind of didn't want to add to my wreath. You can just put the artificial eggs in here. You can go through, because they had a lot of little things, bunny rabbits. You can do stuffed animals. You can do anything you want. And you know, I like to use this E6000 glue. This is great, especially for the outside elements, and it sticks really well. And I also like to reinforce with a little super glue sometimes. So you're free to put whatever you want on here. It's cute like this, but we want to take this wreath up to another level. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I mean, you would think that this was custom. It was expensive. Somebody bought it from Michael's, but no, we did this from the 99-cent store for around $5. So what I was thinking about doing is I'm going to use this bunny rabbit here, and I also added some bling to him too, but you don't have to do that. He was cute just like he was in the store. And you see he already has a little piece here that you can hang it from. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hang it from the wreath back here. This wreath has little areas here where you can glue. It's pretty solid in these areas here. You can see through here. So we can just attach to these areas. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little glue here. I think I'm going to put him here. And I like to place it so I can visualize it. I added some bling to my rabbit because I wanted my wreath to be blingy. So actually, I'm probably going to put him about like that. And then my Easter sign here, I'm believe I want to do this here at the bottom. So let me back up a little bit. I think that's really cute. Now, and you can assemble this any kind of way. If you want to put this, the rabbit at the bottom or the Easter sign at the top, feel free. Like I said, I had some extra ribbon here. I was thinking about doing a bow, but now I'm not sure. I could put this here and let it kind of hang, and it will allow the wreath to look a little bigger too. And then I can put like a nice bow. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attach this on, because this is heavy. This was the one that was $2.49, but I'm telling you, this is worth it. You'll have this for a long time, especially if you're just decorating with it in the house. And they had a lot of colors of this. Then with my eggs, what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna put this here, put one of these here, I think. Let me see if that's getting too crowded, because I still, as you know, I want to use my eggs. So I'm going to see, I may leave these out or put these a little closer. I'm going to assemble it, but you know what? Let's get this on first. So the way that I'm going to do this, you can either take some thin ribbon that's kind of thin here, and you could actually tie it down. You know, if you have some ribbon that's the same color. Since this is heavy, gluing it and then putting it up on the door, it may not hold very well. I'm not sure if it would fall. So if you do glue it, I would prefer for you to reinforce it with like maybe some ties like this, which I think I'm going to use here. And you can also get those at the 99-cent store or the dollar store, or secure it with some ribbon. So let me go ahead and do that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to also glue my rabbit to the wreath, and then from there we'll decide what we want to do. If I want to add these eggs, save these eggs for another project. But I know for sure I want to add my glitter eggs and my shiny eggs here. Okay, so stay tuned and we're going to get this done. And let me show you something. I think I'm going to go ahead and tie these down, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it to these little wire pieces down here, and I'm just going to put this through and then put this through here and then fasten it in the back and then tighten it up real tight. Sorry, I think you missed that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put, there's some wire pieces down here that's pretty sturdy, so I'm just going to take that through and attach this to the back and make it really tight so it'll hold together. And these, you just put it through the little hole here, one end, and then pull it out, and then it keeps it really tight. And I guarantee you it's not going to fall with this. Then I'm just going to glue this on, and I'm going to use a little bit of super glue and my E6000 glue, and then I'm going to let this. So what I would do is just let this all dry really good, because we're going to glue our eggs. Let everything dry really good overnight, and then I would hang it up on the door. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I had to turn it to the side, but don't worry, I'll give you a upright view. I made a change. I decided to go ahead and hang this with a ribbon from the wreath. And like I said, it has some little pretty sturdy wires going in the back. So you can actually, I just used a piece of ribbon and I just tied it in a knot. So this was very easy, but you can still put it here, tie it down if you want. And then I actually glued my rabbit. And so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place, I have glitter eggs, I have some shiny eggs, but you can do anything you want. If you want to stop at this point, that's fine. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go around and I'm just going to add some more eggs around here. These little eggs here, this came on the wreath. These are just like some little shiny paper. But I'm going to go here and I'm just going to add some things. If you find, I actually have different size eggs. I have eggs that look like Easter bunnies. You could put that on there. Just make it really fun. And then what I'm going to do in this space here, I'm going to actually make a ribbon with this. Isn't this beautiful? This almost looks like it was just made for Easter. And I'm just going to put me a nice, pretty big ribbon here. And that's pretty much it. So this is what I have so far. So now what I'm going to do is glue my eggs. Okay, everyone. So I had a change of plan. I actually hung this instead of attaching it to the wreath. It's attached to the wreath, but it's hanging instead of being on top here. I decided I wanted more ornaments around it. And instead of putting a bow here, I left it just like this, and I attached it with just a simple ribbon, and I just tied it to the wreath. It's very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it. But this is heavy, so you want something nice, one of the hooks that you have for your door hanger to hang it with. Like I told you, I kind of hooked up my bunny rabbit a little bit, but he was cute even before then. 99 cents at the 99-cent store. I spent about $5, maybe $6, but that was because I bought little extra things. But honestly, just the wreath was $1.99. This here was $2.49. And then this was 99 cents. So what is this? 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about $5. Honestly, I already had the eggs. So you do have to add about 99 cents for the eggs. One pack should do you good, but just depending on how many eggs that you want to add, that's totally fine. And like I said, this comes in different colors, so you can do what colors you want. I actually wanted more purple and pink this year. I hope this comes out. This is actually purple. It's looking kind of pink, and my rabbit is pink, and she has a purple egg here. So I kind of stayed with those colors this year, but they had blue and all kinds of colors. So all of this is glued, and I actually, because this is heavy, I tied this to the wreath, and the wreath is pretty sturdy. So I'll give you some final pictures at the end with it hanging on my door, guys. Thank you so much. And like I said, this is an easy project that you can do that's affordable, fun for the kids, and very festive. So everyone, happy early Easter, and you have a blessed day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.